Hey, you drivers out there, pay attention. Do you have to pay a lot more than you can afford for car insurance? Well, I have some bad news. You should brace yourselves because rates are going to go up this year, and it's no small amount either. Your rates could go up by as much as 3 times what they are currently. But don't panic. We will talk about the reasons for the price spikes and give you expert tips for how to save money in this video. Knowing the reasons behind these rate increases can help you make smart decisions about your car insurance and keep your costs down. We'll also help you adjust your budget where you can so you can be ready for rate increases. You can keep your costs down without giving up the financial security you need with smart shopping and insider strategies. Are you ready to get ahead of these skyrocketing rates? Now that you've been warned, don't waste any time. Head over to our site, autoinsurance.org. With our free quote tool, you can easily compare a list of customized quotes from the best insurance providers in your area. See how much you can save today. Okay, let's get into more detail on car insurance rates in America. Regardless of whether the economy is thriving or struggling, there is one thing that hasn't fluctuated. The cost of auto insurance has been on an upward trajectory, and it's only expected to continue. Although there is some degree of influence that the economy has on insurance prices, the overall pattern is clear. Insurance costs are on a steady rise. In fact, rising car insurance costs have caused a financial burden for many drivers in our nation. Let's dive into the factors driving this upward trend and explore the implications for consumers. With a thriving economy, people spend more money. Vacations, vehicles, more cars on the road result in an increased rate of collisions and insurance claims filed. Due to this higher risk, insurance providers increase their premiums. Agents have also reported that providers will take advantage of the fact that consumers can afford to pay more for coverage. On the other hand, when the economy is in a state of decline, as it was during the pandemic, insurance companies face a decrease in profit and can struggle to pay their bills and fill claims, which also causes increased premiums. It's a lose-lose. The cost of auto insurance has continued to climb over time, regardless of the state of the economy in America. So don't wait. Find the best deal on your car insurance today. Visit autoinsurance.org. Get personalized quotes based on your exact needs using our free price comparison tool. Get locked in at the lowest rate now for the coverage you need. Catch this. Economic changes aren't the only culprits behind rising car insurance rates. Your driving record plays a major role too. Get a ticket? Think the fine is your biggest issue? Think again. Moving violations can be a primary culprit for skyrocketing insurance rates. Why? Insurance companies see these violations as red flags. Just like you'd make sure someone was a safe driver before letting them borrow your car or drive your kids around, providers want to do the same. There is a silver lining though. Most citations will eventually be cleared from your driving record. So drive carefully, obey the law, and keep your insurance premiums as low as possible. The fact is, prices will vary significantly based on many factors. Your driving history is just one of them. So how can you know when you've scored the best deal? Compare quotes at autoinsurance.org. Take advantage of our free quote comparison tool and explore the best auto insurance options where you live. It's super quick and simple to use with big savings as your reward. Visit autoinsurance.org today. Okay, so back to how your rates are determined. Your driving record is like a report card for insurance companies. An accident, especially if it's your fault, is likely to skyrocket your rates. Accidents are awful, especially if they result in damages and injuries. On top of that, if you file an insurance claim, your premiums will probably go up. In fact, at-fault accidents can result in dramatically higher insurance rates. At-fault incidents are assigned to providers that a driver is more expensive to insure. So on top of all the stress and exhaustion accidents cause, you also get the ever-dreaded result of increased insurance premiums. Fortunately, the impact of at-fault accidents on your rates normally fades over time, as long as no other claims are filed. But keep in mind, if you're found at fault for a crash, you could still face legal penalties, additional fines, and criminal prosecutions, which could hold you responsible for injuries and damages. See how important insurance is? It's time to shop around for the most affordable car insurance. Visit autoinsurance.org and use our free quote tool to compare customized quotes based on your driving history. The reasons for spikes don't end there. Here's another one. Your credit score can also take a toll on your car insurance premium. In many states, insurance providers use your credit score to evaluate your risk level. The assumption is that individuals with a history of financial responsibility are less likely to file claims. As a result, policyholders with lower credit scores can find themselves paying significantly higher premiums. We're talking $200 more each month. But this practice is not allowed everywhere in the U.S. Some states have laws prohibiting the use of credit scores in insurance rate calculations. And even in states where it is permitted, many insurance providers don't give credit scores equal weight when determining rates. It's a must to shop around, especially if you have something working against you like your credit score, which is why you need to visit autoinsurance.org. On our site, you can find the best providers for bad credit, get tips on improving your score, and the biggest money saver will be using our quote generator to get the cheapest rates based on your list of customized quotes. And the list of rate increasers doesn't end there. It's time to address coverage gaps. Do you think a break in your insurance history won't sting? Think again. A lapse in coverage can cause very high car insurance rates. It's common to see an increase of 35% or more. Here's why. Insurance companies will label you as a higher risk to insure because of the increased chance you'll drive uninsured or forget to pay your bills. The good news? The sting fades over time with continuous coverage. But here's the twist. Long-term coverage isn't always your friend. Here's a warning. While some insurers reward loyalty with frequent flyer discounts, others use it as an excuse to raise rates over time. That's why shopping around is crucial. By comparing quotes with autoinsurance.org, you can find companies that offer competitive rates even after a lapse in coverage. Autoinsurance.org is your one-stop shop for getting the coverage you need and saving money. On our site, you can compare personalized quotes and find companies that are a perfect fit for you. Try it today and see how much money you can save. Now, the factors we've discussed so far are specific to your driving habits and history, but there's one external influence that affects everyone equally: time. Time is one of the only factors that impacts car insurance costs that is not specific to you. The cost of insurance is currently higher than it was, say, 10 years ago because of inflation. When it comes to the price of nearly everything, inflation is one of the most important variables to consider. Auto insurance costs increase for reasons other than inflation, of course. Population growth, technology advancements that make car repairs more expensive, and growing healthcare costs are all reasons for car insurance premiums to steadily creep up. But here's the good news. You don't have to be powerless against the rising tide of insurance costs. By comparing quotes from multiple providers, you can find the best rate for your current situation. Autoinsurance.org makes this process quick and easy. Visit our site today and get free, no-obligation quotes from top insurance companies in your area. Don't let time dictate your insurance budget. Take control with autoinsurance.org. Understanding the factors influencing auto insurance rates empowers you to take steps to lower your premiums. But we do realize sometimes there's nothing you can do to instantly get a clean driving record or high credit score. Are you feeling out of hope? Not sure how you'll pay your next car insurance bill? Whatever you do, don't drop your car insurance. Not only is it legally required to drive in most states, but if you're involved in an accident without insurance, you'll likely be on the hook for thousands in out-of-pocket expenses. If you get one thing from this video, let it be this. You don't need to do complicated calculations. No need for sending emails or making a bunch of phone calls either. You can even skip talking to a salesperson. At autoinsurance.org, you can easily compare customized car insurance quotes from multiple insurance companies for free. Then, once you find the best deal, get the coverage you need, all online, even on your phone if you want. It's really that easy. Check out autoinsurance.org today and give our free quote generator a try. It just might be the secret weapon you need to slash your rates. Having a car is great for getting around easily, but there's one thing that every driver can't avoid: the need for proper auto insurance. But you might be able to take a closer look at the cost of car insurance and find coverage that keeps your monthly budget manageable. Just know this: the most effective way to see how much you'll have to pay for car insurance is by comparing quotes from top insurance providers in your area. The more companies you compare, the better chance you have of finding the best deal that fits your specific needs. So are you now ready to slash your car insurance costs? Don't stay in the dark about your car insurance rates. Visit autoinsurance.org where you will get a list of personalized quotes based on your exact needs. It's fast, free, and makes shopping for insurance a breeze. Are you still feeling overwhelmed with the thought of car insurance bills? Don't worry, we have tips for how you can keep your insurance expenses in check. You can keep your insurance rates low and reduce the effects of increases with these 4 easy steps. Number 1, drive smart. Keep your attention on the road to reduce your risk of accidents, avoid distractions, and obey traffic laws. Number 2, shop around. Comparing insurance rates from different providers can significantly lower your monthly premium. The free tool at autoinsurance.org lets you compare quotes from top providers in your area with no strings attached. Number 3, put tech on your side. Consider anti-theft device and driver monitoring programs which award discounts at enrollment and for safe driving. Number 4, adjust your budget. You can afford higher insurance prices by minimizing unnecessary expenses and saving money when possible. See, you have tools to combat insurance spikes. Remember, autoinsurance.org makes it easy for you to find the cheapest car insurance rates from the most reputable companies. Visit autoinsurance.org, use our free quote generator, and compare rates from the best insurance providers in your zip code today. There you have it. That's our intel on the car insurance rate spikes happening this year. Don't let the rising costs stress you out. Head over to autoinsurance.org where you can take control. With the free tool on our website, you can get free personalized quotes and compare rates from top insurance providers in your area all in one place. It's like having a team of personal insurance shoppers for free. Now, if this video gave you some advice for how to help you dodge the insurance price hikes, give it a thumbs up. And while you're at it, subscribe to our autoinsurance.org YouTube channel for more insurance tips and tricks delivered straight to your feed all week long. Have you experienced a crazy spike in your car insurance rates? Share your story in the comments below. Your experience could help someone else avoid this awful scenario. Let's help each other navigate the insurance world together. We can help each other find the best deals and biggest discounts. Or maybe you have questions about the information in this video. Fire away. We have licensed insurance agents eager to help. We talked about how tech can save you money in this video today, so I wanted to warn you about something. Did you know that simple tech issues like app errors or glitches can lead to denied insurance claims? It's true. We've got a whole video dedicated to helping you navigate insurance app errors so you can prevent the absolute nightmare of denied insurance claims. Check that out next. You might be surprised by some of the common pitfalls you could easily avoid. And lastly, if you know someone who's currently battling high insurance costs, looking for a better deal, and considering switching providers, share this video with them. The more informed, insured, money-saving, happy drivers on the road, the better. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at our next autoinsurance.org video.